Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Aliexpress coupon code and promo codes to save money on your purchase. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Alright, let's dive in. There are three main types of coupon on Aliexpress. New user coupon. If you were first time shopper, you can click special discount. Number two, store coupons. These are offered by individual sellers and can be applied to their products. Number three, AliExpress coupon. These are the platform. White coupon. There are white coupon provided by AliExpress itself. Now here's something important. Store coupon can be used with the AliExpress coupon, but you cannot combine AliExpress coupon with new user coupon to check your available coupon. However, over your account in the top right corner, click on my coupon to see all the available expired coupons you have. First of all, you have to log into to AliExpress. You can log in using your Facebook, Twitter, or your Gmail account. Just to log in to it and then tap continue. Now you have to tap your profile at the top right corner. Then here you can see my coupons option. Tap onto it. From here you can see your available coupon. However, over your account in the top right corner, to see all the available and expired coupons. If you want to view coupons, click on history to see expire on used marks. Like, as you can see, I don't have any coupons right now, so it is not showing. But if you have any coupon or expired coupon, it will show you right here. So now let's move forward to show you how to use AliExpress coupon. As here you can see, you just have to go to couponfollow.com site, aliexpress.com. Now here you can see a lot of coupons available for use. So if you want to use this coupon, just tap on to show coupon code and then copy it, and then you have to tap onto your AliExpress official site, and then you have to purchase. While you are purchasing, you just have to input your coupon code like here. Then you just have to enter your coupon code and you will get a discount on it. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.